Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun activity and it is called Kingpin. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, you're gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need 4 water bottles with a little bit of water, some tape, and about 6 sock balls if you have that available. So stay tuned and I'll go and demonstrate the activity in just a moment. All right, so the object of this game is to roll your sock ball over to the other side and knock down their pins. Now, the first team that can knock down the other team's opponent's pins wins. You are allowed to block it with your hands and feet. However, if you are defending your own water bottle or pin, you can go around it. You can't babysit. You can't just stand over it like this and wait and try not to block it. You must be moving at all times, moving your feet. If you accidentally knock the pin over yourself, then it must stay down. It does not go back up. Now, the only way that your pin is allowed to come back up is if your opponent throws the sock ball overhand or underhand. Again, we are focusing on rolling skills. Opposite foot forward, get your knee kind of crouched down, swing your arm in a tick-tock motion, and make sure that the object, ball / sock ball, rolls on the ground. Throw it and cross the line and knock over the pin, it does not count. I must stay behind the line at all times when I'm rolling. Okay. First team to knock down their opponent's pins wins. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, roll it. That's 1. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. You have all the sock balls. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the game of Kingpin. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
As always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.